everyone, probably like one person, but we thought hurricane season was over. Turns out it's not. Hurricane Tammy coming through to the East Coast. We're here in Miami, gonna drive up to Bal Harbour Inlet, about 45 minutes away. Yeah, recently I've just been surfing. I haven't been doing some vlog stuff when I've been wanting to, so we're sitting here in some traffic, so I decided to whip out the camera and talk about what I'm doing. So yeah, I got the Ben Gravy 6.6 foamy here in the board bag, nice and protected. Yeah, so I'm gonna sit back, enjoy this drive, listening to a bit of Stick Figure, you know, and we'll be there in 45 minutes. This is what it's like to be a Miami surfer. Traffic for days. All right, we made it to Bal Inlet. Hurricane Tammy is definitely looking, there's definitely swell in the water with heavy onshore winds, so it's looking hectic, choppy, crazy, but hopefully I can still get a few little nuggets, but yeah, we'll see. We're gonna wax up the board and get out there. That wraps up the session. Surfed for about an hour and a half, and as you probably just saw, I caught a few little good nuggets. But yeah, it's super rough out there. Real peaky, short rides, but good to get in the water. And yeah, this is the spot, the local spot, Bal Inlet. Come check it out. Woo. Decent session. One more thing, I just wanted to show the board real quick. That Ben Gravy 6.6. Alright, if you're watching this, like, subscribe, do whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Peace.